Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for the day when it stops raining here in Ecuador. It has been raining nonstop, and the land can't handle it. It's paying the price. This is our neighbor's land. She's cut down all the trees, and it's just getting hammered. Like there's pieces breaking off every couple minutes here, and stuff tumbling down. My estimate is that the river took away maybe 1,000 tons yesterday night. It's actually impressive watching this. Better than any TV show. I would love to trade some sunshine with a gardener somewhere in the other parts of the world because we sure need some sun and not this rain, constant rain. It's hard to plan your day out when you have to deal with this type of weather continuously. We did a really good job on our side planting the daylights out of this area, and the river just has a hard time dealing with plant material in the ground. It's really hard for the water to take away that plant material. Yeah, it's just phenomenal. Everything is growing, including the weeds. Our fruits are growing everywhere. There's so much water here that we have no problem keeping our plants going strong. We have a lot of work to do just because of all this extra moisture. Trees have fallen down. It's incredibly powerful. Yeah, everything's growing so well. There's so much moisture around. I just wish I had more sunlight. Just to give you an idea of how much water we've received, look at this. This is our pathway. And all the seeds that we planted are now exposed. Muddy, muddy. People have watched this channel know about this lady next door. She cut down all the trees. I don't know why she did that, but she sure is paying the price now. See, we've really planted this with a lot of material, and the river can't really do much with vegetation. It just gets stuck. Can't rip it all out. So that'll give you an idea how much we filled this up with life. Yeah, we had to block off our river. Wow, that's the first time I see these guys flower. Look at these guys. Wow. Mispero. Wow, I'm gonna have some fruit. Arbol de tomate. I have some. I think there's some. Let me get down here. We had to close this river down because we have so much moisture everywhere. We don't need any more moisture down here. We have some fruit here. Here it is. Let me harvest these guys. This guy's ripe. I saw some in the river, so I'm gonna harvest them. Always something to do when you have this type of moisture coming down. Let me harvest these guys. Let me fill up my pockets. Oh, yes. Gonna make some good juice. So everything is quite leggy with this type of rain. So it's really frustrating. Everything's growing lanky and tall. It's a very different type of gardening here in Ecuador when we're close to the Andes where the moisture gets trapped. So on Monday, we're going to harvest all the topsoil that deposited in the small river here. Let me get up. I'm going to walk through here. We did a lot of harvesting. Wow, these guys are developing flowers. Philodendron, wow. I'm going to weed all this. We have certain plants that do incredibly well here. The mountain papaya is completely loaded. Got to go through all this here and figure out exactly what we're going to do with all this rain that's happening. I'm hoping for some sunshine. I'm not really holding my horses for it because it's been really wet. We've got some variegated oranges growing everywhere there. This guy, this Mispero, needs to be pruned. Needs a lot of work. I got to get all these branches out. This is a cherry tree. So just to give you an idea, there's so much water right now that we have to really deal with it. Yeah, if anyone needs some water, I would gladly gift it to you because we don't need any more water, I'll tell you that much. I want to show you the mushrooms that are growing here. Where are they? Some more fruit. I think they're right here. Yeah, there they are. We have all these mushrooms growing now because of all the moisture. Good for the garden to have these mushrooms everywhere. Yeah, I want to take you down into our secondary river. We've closed the river off because we just have so much water. We don't need any more. So that's a little bit of a preventive maintenance, is to block the river completely. Wow, everything is growing so well. Let me see if I can get through this papyrus here. I'll hold the camera up. I can feel all the silt on the bottom. We're going to harvest all that as soon as this dries up a little bit more. This should give you a little bit of an idea. There's even a rock in here. I wonder where that came from. Everything is weighed down by the water. Whoa! There's a hole there. Yeah, so we have a lot of work to do on Monday to get this all organized again. And the nice thing about it, it gives us so much green matter all the time. You can chop it up and use it for trench composting.